Begin with the cold open. Money. It's a universal need, but did you know you can be the architect of your own economy? Welcome to the world of online earning. Shift to the main content. Picture this, a realm where your income isn't dictated by a 9-to-5 grind. Imagine a world where you control your financial destiny using the tools and technologies available at your fingertips. This is the reality of making money online. From freelance writing, affiliate marketing, to creating your own digital products, the possibilities are as vast as the internet itself. Transition to a call to action. Seize the day. Become your own boss. Create your economy. It's time to explore the boundless opportunities of making money online. Don't just dream about it, act on it. The world is waiting. Are you ready to take the leap? End with a closing statement. Remember, you're the architect of your own economy, so take the reins and start building. Your financial future awaits you online.